Oh, are you still here? You got me playing. After I made Play-Doh with you, I continued making Play-Doh, and now I have 4 beautiful colors here. Well, while you're here, let me just tell you some ideas so you can play with Play-Doh. You don't have to have any special tools, even cookie cutters, you can use those things. But if you've got some forks or knives from takeout, those work really well. Just take your Play-Doh and roll it in a ball, or maybe roll it in a little snake. And you can make some fun textures. Or just have fun cutting into pieces and making a design. Just be creative, whatever your heart desires. You don't need a rolling pin. You can just use an old spice bottle that's empty and roll things out with that. You can use that same one to cut some circles. And even the lid, if it has this like pouring area, that's kind of fun to use to squish the Play-Doh through to make long, like spaghetti shapes, and bloop, cut them right off. So there you go. Go make yourself some Play-Doh and have some fun.